Designing and drafting are amongst the only professions in the world that have been historically documented. But over the last century, hand-drawn designs have been replaced by electronically aided tools, and in more recent times, computer software has been used to enhance the art of designing. The reproductions of destroyed plans can become extremely difficult, but with a digital archiving system, this destruction and damage can be prevented. Hitherto not used in Sri Lanka, a digital archiving system is capable of retaining all the details in the same format as was originally designed. Furthermore, it can give easier and faster access to archived documents and provide reprinting facilities at the touch of a button. The ROWE copying, scanning and archiving machine, which is the Mercedes-Benz of the wide format industry, is one of the world's leading products used in securing large and valuable documents such as building blueprints and other large format documents. This 100% German-made product is not only the biggest European exporter of large format machines, but has gained acceptance in over 80 countries worldwide. ROWE's success is largely attributed to some of its unique product features. ROWE can produce crystal clear wide format prints and removes unclear backgrounds of old documents, and creates a copy close to the original, enabled by ROWE's ProLogic technology. ROWE's most salient feature is its capable of wide format color scanning. This provides an efficient solution to scan and archive the existing wide format documents. The scanning works in two ways. One simple way is scan to file. This is a simple two-step process that will push your color scan to the file folder in your computer. If you have a number of documents to scan, you don't have to go back and forth from computer to scanner. The second method is to use the ROWE View software that allows you to preview your scanned document, then make necessary changes such as convert to black and white, adjust the grayscale, or simply leave it as the crystal clear color scan that it is. Then you can choose from common file formats such as JPEG, TIFF, or PDF and simply hit the Save button. Retrieving the saved document is just as easy. The ROWE Paper Input Assistant allows two types of paper rolls to be inserted any given time. The cleverly designed Paper Input Assistant allows the user to remove and insert paper rolls with ease. The double light technology and the powerful CSI scanner not only gives reliability with a lifetime guarantee, but gives a crystal clear scan every time. The inside engine design is simple to avoid complications and breakdowns, yet sophisticated enough to handle the workflow of complex documents. ROWE makes wide format printing, copying, scanning and archiving much easier than ever before. ROWE, made in Germany and powered in Sri Lanka by Metropolitan.